Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Hyundai Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, front wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power windows, power door locks, CD player, MP3 player, bucket seats, trip computer, child safety locks, passenger airbag, rear head airbag, brake assist. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.